What's good, everybody? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and you are watching the Pipology channel. We back, man. We been gone for a minute,
man. Too long. Been gone for too long, man. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Pipology TV. It's your boy Bobby Will. Y'all know where y'all can find me on Instagram at I am Bobby Will. Hey, man, I know y'all been missing the videos, but I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it has been worth the wait. When y'all see what we got for y'all today, it has been worth the wait. I'm going to go ahead and pass it over to Loso, man. I don't want to get too excited and spill the beans yet.
Yo, follow me at Loso06.
It's been funny. He ain't slept, y'all.
He don't sleep. I ain't slept in like a week. My energy level is pretty low right now since I ain't had an auto trader to use, but man, it's all good. Yeah. I've had to manually trade. Bro. It's all good.
It's wild.
It's wild.
How it feel to be a manual trader this week, man? Man,
man, I almost cussed, man. It sucks, man. I mean, well, it don't suck that bad. Yeah. It don't suck that bad because we'll talk about that later.
They gonna see the game.
They gonna see the game later. Yeah. Hey, so, but all seriousness, and all that good stuff aside, man. Right now we're going through a crazy season with this coronavirus, and a lot of people been reaching out to us for help. And one thing that we always tell people is what? Trade, win, grow. You see the shirt. You see the shirt, but that's cool too. I like that shirt too. And so with that being said, man, like, reach out to us, shoot us some DMs. If we can give you some free game, we will. Check out all our YouTube videos. Check out all our strategies. Really pay attention to what we're doing and how we're helping the community and helping people find a new stream of income. Because one thing about Forex, it's recession proof.
Recession proof.
I'm telling you. You can win up, down, neutral.
Y'all ain't got to take our word for it, man. We're about to show y'all a live account real soon. Listen, I don't want to spill the beans yet, but it's coming. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Hey, we have been back testing the strategy. So we talked about it a little bit on the last video. We told y'all we was going to back test it, and we've been back testing the strategy. I've been back testing it. Loso been back testing it on steroids. This man ain't never slept, man. He ain't slept, bro. And we gonna tell y'all straight up, like Loso said, man, with everything that's going on in the world right now, people are looking for ways to make money and make money online. And listen, y'all, the coronavirus cannot stop the Forex market. I could drop the mic right there.
Fact. You know what I'm saying? And also, this is a quick break. If you're in our Signal group and you're a Forex trader, and let me just put this out there as very, blunt as I possibly can. You guys are traders, or you're becoming traders. With that being said, never only rely on one strategy. Understand that what I mean? Like signals, we throw out some great signals, but
we be scalping.
Yeah, we do scalping, we do signals, we do auto trader when we have one. By the way, we got one coming soon. We're gonna talk about that in a minute. Yeah, I'm hearing some good things about it too. Like this new joint is looking pretty dope.
Free trial.
Yeah, 7-day free trial as well, man. So we're gonna put some information down in one of those links. I promise you that. So understand though, seriously, the life of a trader, it becomes very up and down, just like the markets do, right? So understand, like, when you're taking a signal with us, like, manage that trade. Like, our only responsibility to you is giving you guys a good service is actually putting the signal out there with a take profit and a stop loss. Now, sometimes we add in there like, take partial profits and things like that. That's nothing that we do all the time. That's just us giving you courtesy. But when you see profits on the table, take that trailing stop. Take that money off the table.
Take your money.
If you don't know what a trailing stop is, contact one of the three of us. We will tell you how to do that. It's just moving that actual entry back up to profit.
I got another comment on that, man. Listen, we got people that are trading with us, okay, that are doing 50 plus pips a day, you guys. 50 plus a day. But here's the thing. Scroll back 2-3 videos ago. We told y'all the compounding plan. All you need is 15 pips a day. 15. So guess what? When you in these markets, don't overtrade. If you can do 75 pips in 2 days, guess what? You've hit your 15 pip a day average for the week.
Get out the market.
You're done. You're done. Just chill. Don't get greedy. Don't overtrade. We do not overtrade, you guys. We don't do that. We scalp the market. We get in. We take some long-term trades. Man, we taking all kind of strategies, guys. You know what I'm saying? But as soon as we get money, we see money on the table, and we happy with the money that we making, we getting up out of there.
There you go.
We getting up out of there. Straight up, man.
You gotta set yourself a daily goal.
Yep.
Right?
Fact.
Whatever that goal is in pips or whatever it is in actual USD and dollars, whatever it is, set your goal and get out the market. Don't get greedy and blow an account. Just get in, get out, right? So another thing I want to add in as far as being an actual trader, like when you get in the signals group, if you contacting us and if you don't know how to even take a trade, please do not get in the signal group. We don't want your money.
Listen, no, we rather you not be a member. If you don't listen, it's called the pro option for a reason.
Yep.
We would rather you not come and trade with us if you don't know how to initiate trades, if you don't know how to do different types of limit orders and things to that nature. If you guys don't know how to manage your own trades, we would rather you not even sign up yet.
Yep.
I tell people all the time, people hit me up all the time and they think that I'm about to try to sell them on the signals group or sell them on the course or something like that. I said, bro, the easiest way for you to start learning Forex is you need to get on YouTube, where you're at right now. YouTube University. Learn as much as you can.
Yeah.
Learn as much as you can, and when you're ready to come trade like us and you're ready to come trade with us, we'll be waiting on you.
Facts.
We'll be waiting on you all day. I'm gonna let Jeremy talk a little bit. I think Jeremy want to talk.
Hey man, I'm over here chilling. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm over here learning too. Like, dang, bro.
Like 4-5 videos.
Man, I done dropped out 4-5 videos, so I'm like, we gotta get my guys in there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, look, it is what it is, man. Don't overtrade.
Yep.
And let's get into this freaking strategy, bro. I know y'all ready to see it.
I know y'all been waiting.
Let's get to it.
We've been talking about it on the IG. Strategies on the way. Let's go.
All right, so I'm gonna show you guys my profits from the 15th through the 19th on the strategy that we're gonna be showing you guys today. As you can see, we are up.
Woo!
Yeah. Lord.
I don't know how he's saying this so calmly right now, man.
Jesus.
Man, this is no sleep. This
is no sleep Loso.
This
for
is
y'all who thought Loso couldn't trade just because he used the auto trader, you were sadly mistaken. Big
yeah,
son.
man. I didn't say I couldn't trade. I just said I don't like to do it manually.
Hey,
but when I do it manually, this is what happens.
This is what happens.
Do you see why we say 6 figures ain't enough?
Six figures ain't enough.
This is $2K a day, man. This is 4 days.
This is 4 days of trading.
4 days. Hey man, can you go ahead and go to that settings real quick? I just need to see something real quick.
Yeah.
Oh,
Live account, big
real
fella.
account.
This ain't no game. We ain't playing with these markets, man. Come on, man.
I'm sleep deprived, and I haven't shaved in like I don't know. I ain't had a fade.
Oh man.
Hey, I need a fade, bro.
Man, I should have brought the clippers.
You should have brought the clippers, bro. Pipology barbershop. Ooh. Entrepreneurs at their best, right?
Hold that thought.
Hold that thought. Like, hold that
We'll come
thought.
back to that one.
Right.
Hey man, so one thing that I wanted to show you guys real quick, man, just to tag on to what he's gonna show you guys here in a second with this strategy, man, is that we also use this same strategy to pick our entry points into the market. I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. So we took a trade today. A lot of people were asking me about it, like, man, how did y'all find that trade? Why did y'all pick that trade? Why did y'all choose to sell? Well, in this alligator strategy right here, we're gonna look at these moving averages, right? So you got the green line, the red line, and the blue line. The blue line is the slowest moving average. The red line is a little bit faster. The green line is the fastest moving average. When this green line crosses this red line, it's go time. It's go time. So as soon as we saw this, we have been stalking this trade all day. We have been stalking this pair all day long. As soon as we saw this green line cross this red line, we knew it was go time. We knew it was a downtrend. We knew when to jump into the market. This is on the M1. This is on the 1 minute chart. I do all my trade setups based on what I told you guys on the daily, on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, on the 30 minute. But when it comes to my entry points, I'm looking for strong trends. I'm looking for trends in the market. Every time I'm looking for trends. And as soon as I see a setup like this, and I know I'm in a clear downtrend, that's a sell all day long.
Bam.
You guys can take that to the bank.
Let's go.
Easy.
Yo, what's up, everybody, man? This is Loso06. Follow me on IG. So today, man, I'm gonna be going over a very simplistic strategy with you guys. It's a strategy everybody talking about right now. It's like the retracement strategy off of one candle, literally looking at the daily to actually get in, but you're actually gonna use your 4 hour, your 30, maybe even your 15 minute to pinpoint your entries and see where it's bouncing at, right? So anyway, let's jump right into it. All right, so on my screen here, you're gonna see I'm looking at GBP/USD, okay? And right now, I don't wanna use this candlestick because it's on a separator. This is actually going into a new day. But let's just use this one to be for an example. Let me get this. All right, so when I'm going in for my entries on my scalping strategy, and again, like I keep telling y'all, don't base your life off of one strategy, right? This is one strategy I use out of a plethora of strategies. That's what we call it, an arsenal of strategies, right? From the pip pack to scalping to auto trading to daily trading, whatever you want to do, just don't only rely on one strategy. All right, so on this candle, what I'm looking for is for a retracement, okay? So you see where it actually hit the low right down here, okay? So you see I actually have orders on this right now. I can't show you where they at because, man, y'all gonna be like, hold on, how'd he do that? And past performance does not predict future profit. We got to put that out there. So on this candle, I'm looking for a retrace between 3 to 5 pips. Once I get that 3 to 5 pip retrace, I will go in on an entry, right? On a buy or sell. In this instance, this is a sell. We talked to you guys a while back about the alligator, okay? This right here is your alligator. This green, red, and blue, okay? This down here is your signal strength. Your trend strength is sitting at 90. That's a very powerful downtrend. I only take this trade when it's above 80% on the actual downtrend signal, the actual indicator you see here. Also, I only take this trade when this alligator has a gap and showing a clear downtrend. Okay. Now we have a high and low that we add on there, and also the TDI, which we kind of use as well, which is a shark out of the water type of a strategy. I use all three of these for very, very simple reason. I have to give myself a high probability on when to get in the market and when to get out of the market, okay? Some of this is not gonna make sense to newbies. And for that instance, we're gonna actually be building an indicator, a custom indicator made by Pipology. Check us out. And we're gonna package it for very, very cheap. It's gonna have a heat wave on there that's gonna give you actual entries to get in, but you gotta manage your own trade. Right? We're just going to show you the realm and the range on when you get into the actual trade. Okay. So that's this chart. Let's find another chart that may have a buy set up and we can kind of go on the reverse. I'll stop on this one. I would not take this trade. This is in a neutral sense right now. The market does not know what it's doing. As you can see, it is going in a downtrend, but you have a few candles that are popping above that alligator. You do not want to touch that alligator. You want a nice gap on the downtrend or the uptrend before you enter. The signal strength is the trend strength, is actually giving you a very high probability that's going down. But right now, I would not get in on this trading, on this scalping strategy because it's a very quick strategy. You get in and you get out, right? I may hold these trades anywhere between 5 minutes to 8 hours, depending on what the volatility of the market is. So understand that and watch your news. Do not hop on the scalping strategy within high news because at that point, the market is very unpredictable. It hits its highs, it hits its lows. You don't know what's going to happen. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to find a nice buy setup. Let's see. Perfect. Here's a nice buy setup. So you see this engulfing counter right here? It's about to go up, which you can see, and the trend is actually going up. The gap between here and the alligator is very wide, 90% on an uptrend, okay, 90%. So now what I'm looking at is my gaps. I want to see if I got a 5 pip spread, okay. I'm not going to do it live because this is actually a live account. I don't want to do that. But I will tell you that I will get into a trade like this. You see how it's bouncing? 79, 75, 80. So I look at that being my range between 70 and 83. So once it comes back down to 72, 73, I will hop into that trade. Once I hop into that trade, I will probably get out once it clears about 2 to 3 to 5 pips. Now, if you have a small account, I would recommend micro lots. Anything under $500 account size, micro lots. Anything over 1,000, you can get away between 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 cent lot sizes. But the way this strategy works, if you look at my lot size at 0.50, I actually range that from 0.50 and on up to $1 lot size. If you don't have at least, well, I can't put a number on it, but if you don't have a nice, healthy account, do not take $1 lot size, because if you get into a trade and it gets into drawdown, your emotions start tying in. It's one thing to have 5 to 10 cent in drawdown. It's another thing to have 5,000 to 6,000 in drawdown. If you cannot handle that in your stomach, do not trade $1 lot size. Okay, work your way up to that type of account. Get you some monopoly money. What I mean by that is making some profit on your account, grow your account, then up your lot sizes. Okay, so again, just to get a quick recap, I'm looking for 3 different entries. Okay, I'm looking at my alligator. These 3 lines, they're pushed out, right? There's a nice little gap here. We had one of our students that actually brought this idea to us, and we've been back testing it along with our retracement strategy and along with a few other indicators that we always use on a daily that we built or we've bought from other MT4 platforms, etc. And we actually included them all on one type of strategy, and now we're going to bucketize them in a way where it's easy for people that are newbies to get into a trade and make money off of this strategy. All right. So with that being said, I know it was pretty quick. You got to make sure your spread makes sense. You got to make sure that everything lines up with your alligator, with your uptrend or downtrend momentum. Once you get those things, you actually get that accounted for, you can enter the market. All right. So with that being said, man, thank y'all for watching Pipology TV. Holla at us on Instagram, on Facebook. You can find us all. Hit us up, man. We got another segment coming up next. Holla at your boy. All right, yo, we back, man. Real quick, man. Shout out to Just Good Coffee, man. Our sponsors, man. They take care of us, man, supplying us with the coffee. Yes, I do own a portion of it. And yes, I'll be helping to give coffee to us. But we're still a sponsor. Let's go, man. Hey, so, where's Bobby at, though? Crap.
Oh, he went let me see this. I think he ended up taking the number 2 big fella.
In my restroom?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, here you go. Well, what is you doing?
Bobby.
Oh,
Bruh!
my bad.
My bad.
He done got
Got
the
my
tissue.
tissue, bro.
Hey, man, you know they out at the grocery store, bro.
This is mine, dog.
Bro,
You
you
know what I'm saying?
wild.
I'm trying to stock up,
You
bro.
gonna steal the toilet paper?
Hey, man, you up 8 racks, bro. What you worried about?
Right, you up 8 racks?
You know what I'm saying? Get on Amazon, bro. They got that for you.
Come on, man.
I
Y'all
need
better
some at
give
the
me
house.
for the
I
toilet
need
paper.
some
Take
at
that
the
over there real quick, bro. You know what I'm saying?
We need
You
that.
gonna need that for later.
Right.
Listen, man.
Hey, man. But all jokes aside, you guys, we know that, man, people have been going, crazy at the store, man. But somebody had posted a quote the other day, and it really, really stuck with me, really stuck with us.
Facts.
They said that rich people are buying stocks, while poor people are buying toilet paper.
Let that sink in. Let it sink in. Facts. Think about it. Buy low, do what? Sell high.
Sell high, big fella.
Man.
Hey, but what about that auto trade?
Woo!
Man, let me.
Woo!
All right. Let me say this real quick, man. So we are about to be trying out a new auto trader, okay? And this new company, I can't really say their name right now, but Game Changer. The one we were using before, just for everybody that got on it, man, they played us too, man. Like, they were up and running for a good year, and I was doing 5 to 7%. Long story short, the company had some disagreements. Half the company went one way, the other half went the right way, right? You know what I mean? And doing the people right. And like I said, they're about to produce a new EA. Everybody's been asking us about it. Everybody wants us to see what we're about to do next. We're going to be launching that. There's going to be a link in the video below, right? Again, we are just people like you about to try out the software for 7 days for the free. No credit card. This is a free trial for 7 days. If you like it, sign up with the company.